How to get ChatGPT application on iOS device. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. Well, the ChatGPT application has been officially released on Play Store or App Store. So as you're on iOS device, let's move into the App Store. In the search bar, search for OpenAI ChatGPT. You have to move into this application. At the very top, you can see the option where it says Get. You have to click on it. And then you have to tap on Install. Now wait for a while for it to complete the process. And there you go, the application ChatGPT has been installed on a device successfully. Now you can simply tap on Open. If you already have your account, then you can tap on Login, and then simply enter the login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into the specific account. After that, you will be able to use the ChatGPT features. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can install or download ChatGPT on your iOS device. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.